Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for October 20th, 2015. And for Tuesday, we're going to see some significant changes today as that trough was over top of us this weekend and yesterday has moved out now. So that's going to be replaced by this high pressure that was on top of us yesterday is now going to be sunk off to the southeast like this. This is going to allow for southwesterly winds to come back in here, and our temperatures will go up. So temperatures this afternoon are expected to be in the mid 60s, a little less north, a little more south, and we should be a very comfortable afternoon today. Southwesterly winds will not be all that strong, so very nice day to get outside. And actually, the next couple days will be like that until we get to Thursday, when the next cold front moves through. Here is a look at Friday. Not much going on here Friday, so another partly to mostly sunny day. Probably will reach 70 degrees in many locations except for the northern areas across northeastern PA and northwestern Jersey, but elsewhere we should be around 70 degrees or maybe even to the low 70s as you head down towards Philadelphia, interior South Jersey, and Delaware. So a very nice day here again on Wednesday. So if you have any last minute stuff to do as far as maybe you want to cut the grass one last time in preparation for winter, we had these freezing nights, so the grass really shouldn't be growing too much more anymore, so there'd be a good time to do that. Do some last-minute yard work or winterizing, as I like to call it. I like to do that in my backyard this time of year. You're picking a nice warm day during these transitional months of October, during the transitional month of October, because we can see a lot of ups and downs, and we're seeing that now as we head into the long range as well. Looks like we're going to be up and down here for the next week or so, and then I think the month is going to close out on a cold note. That is a big change today with regard to the model guidance with how the end of the month shapes out, and I'll show you that in a second. There's going to be a cold front that's going to move through here later on Thursday. Not much precipitation at all shown with this. Best forcing is going to be farther to the north, so there's really not much in the way of precipitation falling here. Again, we're not getting much precipitation this month, so we're falling a little bit behind in the rainfall department. This does not look to help it. This is going to be a mostly dry frontal passage. The models are not really thrilled with the amount of precipitation. Let's go to the precipitation amounts here and look what we're seeing here. Again, best forcings to the north here. You might squeeze out 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch up here farther north, but further south you're lucky to even get a shower. So not expecting much of anything except for maybe across the northern counties of central Pennsylvania and across northeastern PA as well. But even there, really not a lot to speak of. So unfortunately, not getting any precipitation to help any of you that are looking for it. And as we get beyond that, we're going to have Friday get into the colder weather again, colder than average regime as we get into both Friday and Saturday. Sunday, ahead of the next cold front, here's the next cold front coming in Sunday. We are going to attempt to warm up at least close to normal here, back to normal levels here on Sunday, but it's going to be, again, short-lived. We're not going to get up near 70 again. We're talking about maybe lower 60s, if that. I mean, it depends on the timing of this front. Right now, it looks like it's going to come in early, so we're going to have an opportunity for, call it variable clouds, with an opportunity for a shower here on Sunday. But again, as this moves through, the models are now picking up on the fact that, hey, it's going to be colder in a month. This is what we have been theorizing in our long-range outlook, and a lot of you thought we were crazy because the models were not indicating that. When we have those recurving typhoons in the Pacific, the models take a long time to grasp onto that idea that, hey, these recurving typhoons are going to mess with the pattern and promotes a big trough in the eastern United States, and that's what we think is going to happen as we head into next week. So we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, Friday even, as we get into close out the month and headed into the first day of November. It looks like from the 26th, 27th time frame straight through November 1st, we are below normal, and we get a nice cool shot coming here at the end of the month because of that recurving typhoon in large part to that. So we will, in most areas, end up the month below average, and not significantly below average, but October should end up below average as far as temperatures are concerned and departures for normal as we close out the month of October. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for October 20th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.